Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. It's just me today and I'm going to teach you how to draw a soft serve ice cream. Now my kids love the McDonald's soft serve, especially with the flake. I'm going to start with the top of the ice cream. So I'm going to start with a curved line coming down, a line coming out and down, and then with the soft serve it's going to just bump out a couple of little bumps like so, and then we're going to draw the cone shape. So the cone curve a line like that. This is how wide you want that. If you want to make your ice cream taller you can, but this is like, you know, how it curls over at the end. And then 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can do more of those if you like, and that's how it spins around. They get it looking cool, and I'm just going to put a couple of lines to show how it moves around like so. This is a cute ice cream cone, so we're going to put some eyes in here. So I'm going to put one circle there, another circle there, and this ice cream is going to have its tongue poking out. So let's draw the mouth, maybe like a smile. Then we're going to draw it come down, and we're going to have the teeth showing. So let's draw another line like so, and let's put a tongue hanging out the side like that. We've got to finish off some eyebrows. Let's put an eyebrow there and there, and a couple of circles for the twinkles in the eye. Now the old soft serve is quite good, but I love the flake. So we need to draw the flake, and that's why I've left this space out here. It's drawing like a rectangle shape coming out there. And now I'm going to decorate it with some lines to make it look like it's the flake. Almost like wood grain, giving it some texture. Now the ice cream cone. Let's bring in a couple of little lines like this, little angle line. Then a straight line down on each side. Bring them down the same, and then we're going to bring a curved line around like so, and we're going to bring another curved line down around like so, and these have some little patterns on them. I'm just going to put a curved line around like that. Straight lines coming down here, try and keep them similar spaces apart. Now we have, it comes in again, so a couple of little angled lines coming in. I'm sure you're doing really well at home. Remember, it's all learning. If you don't want to draw in Sharpie straight up, pencil's a good idea, and then you can rub out if you're not happy with any bits. Drawing straight lines coming down. You can angle them in a little bit, but I'm just keeping mine straight. And then this is the bottom of the cone. I'm going to put a little line here, and another line there. Now I'm going to put some decorations on this cone. So diagonal lines 45 degrees, and keep them spaced nicely apart that way, and then we're going to go 45 degrees this way. And there we have an awesome ice cream, soft serve McDonald's ice cream, ready for some colouring. You can colour this ice cream whatever colours you like. I'm going to fast forward the video now and colour it in. I'll see you at the end. I hope you had a great time following along drawing the soft serve ice cream. Remember, you could have done any colours you want for the ice cream. You could have added any decorations on there as well. I would love to see your finished artworks. You can drop me a message, email, Facebook or Instagram. Until next time, happy drawing. I'll see you again.